Welcome to a brief overview of the XtendPoint KVM-over-IP extenders. XtendPoint extenders support up to 4 displays per system with high-resolution, high-quality sources. XtendPoint can provide direct point-to-point signal extension within a room, or connect multiple systems or rooms over a copper or fiber network. XtendPoint's secure communication and signal management also enables smooth extension to remote systems. XtendPoint can control one source system with up to 4 displays, or seamlessly switch control between multiple sources just by moving the mouse. Control of multiple systems can also be consolidated onto a single display with the same seamless switching between source systems. XtendPoint enables source systems to be viewed or controlled by multiple receivers at the same time. Galileo and Zio video wall processors can also natively display XtendPoint signals without the need for an additional receiver. XtendPoint is a secure and scalable KVM-over-IP solution providing high-quality signal extension for multi-head source computers with point-to-point connections or across local or wide area networks. Learn more at rgb.com/XtendPoint.